To make this part, we'll create this block first, and then we'll make revolved cut to make this cutout here. Okay, so we'll create a sketch using the front plane, and since this is a symmetric part about this axis, we'll just create the quarter of it and then mirror that geometry. So let's just draw center lines, vertical and horizontal center lines. And let's just draw those lines, and the width of the whole line is 3 inches. So I'll select this line and select the center line and move my cursor to the other side, and that's going to be a symmetric dimension. So we'll use the 3 inches, and we do the same thing on the vertical direction. So that's going to be 3 inches. And we'll use this multiple contour method. So I'm going to draw the shape as well. Just draw the shape and add a dimension. See, at width is 0.25, and again this is 0.25, and this whole length here from here to there is 1.125. Same here, same way from here to there, 1.125. So now it's fully constrained, and we have a choice. We can create a quarter block here and then do the mirror, body mirror, or we can do a sketch mirror. Let's do the sketch mirror here. So I'm going to do a box selection. Whole sketch entities are selected, and we do the mirror entities and mirror about. Select that center axis and make sure the copy is checked, and then we'll do it one more time. Box selection, mirror entity. Now this time the horizontal axis. It's okay. Alright, so well, if there are too many green constraint, you can erase it by show and hide items, and you uncheck that sketch relations, and that's how you're gonna see sketch better. Alright, so everything looks good, and we'll extrude that. So go to features and extrude. So there's a lot of contours, so we need to select which area you want to extrude first. So let's extrude that area by how much? The overall height is 2, but we want to extrude up to this height. So 1.5, 2 minus 0.5, 1.5, that's the height for this extrusion. Alright, that's one thing. And then we're going to extrude again using the same sketch. So I'm going to expand it, use the same sketch that we made, but this time we select these contours here. That, there, and there. But at this time we need to extrude it by 2 inches, the full height. Alright. Press OK, and we get this. Alright. Using right plane, we need to draw this shape. Draw center line first here, and then we have to draw the sketch. That's half of it. So starting from here, draw the shape, coming like that, and we don't know how high, what the radius of that guy is, but we just draw the shape, and we need to add a diameter of this guy from here to center. And again, if you move your cursor down, That's going to be diameter 0.75, and this diameter here is 1.25. So again, select that line and select the center line and move your cursor down. That's your diameter, 1.25. And this diameter here, so actually, oh, that was 7.5. This is 2. That's 2. This one is 1.5. Now this angle is 30 degrees, but there's no vertical line here, so we can add a vertical line, draw a construction line and angle between them 30 degrees, and we have a 0.38 from this line to that line. I think it's a I would say 0.375. I prefer using fraction number. Probably it's rounded up from 0.375. Still we have this line is blue, so what's going on, and we can just move it. So this length is not specified yet. That from that line to that point is 1 inch, so we missed that. So we're going to select that line, and to that point is 1 inch. So now everything is fully constrained, everything is black. And now we need to go features. Now this time we'll choose Revolved Cut. And we have to specify the axis revolution because there are multiple center lines. So we need to select that center line. I don't see any preview here. So if I say OK, well, it says revealed errors. And it says sketch is open, self-intersecting, or intersects the center line. So something is wrong with the sketch. So I'm going to cancel it and go back to the sketch. It's better to look at normal to it. And something is wrong. See here on the corner here, this is a typical error you can have. There's a small line there. It's probably pressed the button wrong, so it has a small line there. It's just erase it and then do it again. Go back to extrude cut and select the axis. Now you can see the preview. Say OK. Now we get the part, and if you look at with a hidden line, and I can look at from the right side, that's the same as the sketch.